787-9 Dreamliner, operating as Flight 189 from London to Ahmedabad, tragically crashed during its final approach to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The incident, involving one of the most technologically advanced aircraft in the sky, sent ripples of concern through the industry. For pilots, engineers, and passengers alike, the question was immediate and urgent. How could this happen? The aircraft was relatively new, the weather was clear, and the crew was experienced. This was not a scenario that fit any of the typical accident profiles we have grown accustomed to analyzing. The crash became an instant high-priority investigation. The sequence of events was as frightening as it was sudden. Flight 189 was on a standard, stabilized approach, with its landing gear down and flaps set for landing. Everything appeared normal to air traffic controllers and to the pilots of other aircraft in the vicinity. Then, without any warning or distress call from the cockpit, the aircraft was observed making an abrupt and uncommanded dive. It rapidly lost altitude from which the pilots, despite their best efforts, could not recover. The subsequent impact, just a few kilometers short of the runway, was catastrophic. The loss of a modern jetliner under such seemingly benign conditions immediately ruled out common culprits like severe weather or pilot error in the traditional sense, pointing towards something far more insidious. Initial speculation ran rampant, as it always does in the aftermath of such a disaster. Theories ranged from a sudden structural failure to a malicious cyber attack, a concern that has grown in our increasingly connected world. However, the flight data recorder and cockpit voice recorder, the so-called black boxes, were quickly recovered from the wreckage in remarkably good condition. These devices hold the key to understanding the final moments of any flight. They are the silent witnesses that provide an unbiased second-by-second account of the aircraft's performance and the crew's actions. Their data would prove indispensable in cutting through the noise and focusing the investigation on the true nature of the failure that doomed Flight 189. The immediate aftermath saw a global response. Boeing, the aircraft manufacturer, dispatched a team of its top technical experts to assist the Indian Directorate General of Civil Aviation, or DGCA, in their investigation. The U.S. National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB, also sent representatives, a standard procedure when a U.S.-manufactured aircraft is involved in a major incident abroad. The collaborative effort was crucial, bringing together the world's leading minds